Hello everyone, welcome to the spring 2021 semester. I'm going to give you a brief introduction to the course here with this welcome video and just let you know how to navigate and what's important for you to understand here as you go through week one. The first thing is it's really important to go through the syllabus on day one to see what your responsibilities are. You'll note on here that my office hours are going to be 8 to 2 on Tuesdays, and in fact all of your assignments will be due on Tuesdays. I have listed Skype. Theron.Westrop is a way that you can contact me, but I'll work with you through anything you want to, really, FaceTime, etc. It doesn't really matter to me, whatever is convenient for the software that you have. Please read through the syllabus in its entirety so that you understand the grading concepts for the course. You'll note that you have a diagnostic essay that's due on January 19th. That's really important to complete because if you don't complete that, you will lose your spot in the course. The diagnostic is worth 5% of your overall course grade, but it's more important to show me that you're actually working in the course, okay? On the syllabus, you're going to see a list of due dates here, right? And some course policies that I won't go through right now, but I encourage you to write to me if you have any questions about it. Now also, the most important way to navigate the course for you will simply be to look through the modules. We're going to begin with the Start Here module, which is basically the day one introduction to the course that contains this video, obviously, the syllabus, a little information about me, a little quiz about the syllabus that's really important for you to do, and then also get started by working on your diagnostic right from day one. It's really important. There are a lot of notes to go through, and these notes will be relevant to every essay that you do. In the diagnostic, it's not necessarily that I'm going to grade it hard. I'm making sure that you've gone through all of the material, that you're starting to understand it, and you're starting to practice it, knowing that you'll need to practice it to do it better in the formal essays to follow. So once again, your diagnostic essay is due on January 19th. Okay. As you roll into week two, there will be lots of videos that will explain to you structure on your essays, how to do the individual body paragraphs inside, okay, and lots of other things as well. So during your first week, 2 weeks, make sure to spend time, even though it's drudgery, I know it, to go through the modules in their entirety, all right? That's the really only way to be successful in the course, because if you're successful on essay one, it will absolutely make your life easier for the rest of the course. It is just automatic. If you spend the first 2 weeks understanding what I'd like from you, then your success will, I want everybody to get an A, and this is the way to do it. That's just a simple way to put it. Okay, so for now, the basics are out of the way. Please read the syllabus, start looking at the modules, especially for weeks 1 and 2, work on your diagnostic, and know that I'm here for anything. You can email me, it's westropt@mjc.edu. I'm on the email twice a day, 8 a.m. and 8 p.m., so I can get back to you within 12 hours in large majority of the cases, except on weekends. So for now, I look forward to meeting you. I like working with you through conference as much as possible, talking to you and helping you, and I hope you take advantage of it. Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to the course, and again, I look forward to working with you. I'm sure we'll talk soon.